All right. Hello, hello, hello. How are you?
Good. How are you, Tish?
I am doing great. So we just finished with our fourth session that feels like maybe more like 4.8 or so, because we definitely have had some extra time to go over information. And I'm excited. I always love to do these exit interviews because I always like to share with everyone online why it's so important or what the benefit is of having like this money coach. This person is going to walk you through everything. So could you tell everybody your name, what you do for a living, and give them some insight into why you decide to hire me as your coach?
Sure. My name is Blondine St. Pierre. I'm actually in banking in the corporate world. I've actually been following you for a while on Instagram, and I think that you're amazing. Like when it comes to giving people advice financially, first I've seen your home, how beautiful it is, and I know you're very successful. And I wanted to um, find someone who wasn't out there just telling lies, just to get money. Um, your background really shows that you're intelligent and know what you're talking about. And I wanted to know more. And that's what made me reach out to you to get more information on advice on financially. And yeah, and that's where we did
Okay.
that.
So you've been in the program, you've taken my online course. We just had a lot of one-on-one time together. Could you just give everyone your point of view of like what you got from it, or was it worth it? Are you glad that you did it?
Most definitely. The time that I've spent with you, I've learned a lot about trading, investment, and like I said, I'm in corporate banking, and they don't really teach you that stuff. Okay, and I've been
Wait a
in the
minute, you're in
banking.
corporate banking and they don't teach you this stuff in corporate banking?
No, they don't. They don't. And honestly, I've been in corporate for 15 plus years. And honestly, your course have shown me more in the 15 years that I've been in corporate. And I would tell anybody who is interested in your program to just give it a try. It's worth the money, it's worth the time, and just go for it. It's definitely worth it.
Yeah. What would you say is like, what was something that you didn't expect? Is there anything like going into it and then when you came out of it, you're like, oh, I didn't expect all of this. Is there anything you didn't expect within the process?
Um, I, I honestly, I didn't expect you to spend really detailed time with me. Like you really took your time. You were patient with me when it came to really breaking down what I didn't understand about the program. If I had questions, it didn't matter how long we were on a call. You wasn't rushing. You took your time with me, and I didn't expect that actually.
Okay.
So I'm grateful for that.
Thank you. Thank you. I always feel like I want people to get their money's. I want them to feel like they got more than what they paid for. And I'm
Mhm.
glad that you enjoyed it. I also want people to feel comfortable because I feel like money is
Yes.
it's such a topic. Like, even though there's so much information online, you still, what I think is missed online is that like the personal point of view of someone who's actually investing and did it and like able to kind of share those like backstories that you don't get from like a YouTube video,
Right.
right? And so I really love doing this and I love when I'm able to help people. And so I'm glad that you feel like you got a lot from it. Is there anything you would like to share with anyone if you feel like there's someone out there that they're in the same situation as you and maybe they just feel like I don't know if I can get this. Like I don't know, this just seems like it's just too much, or maybe they think that I need to invest but I'm not sure if I have enough to invest. Like, what advice would you give to that person?
I would tell them to definitely um take a look at their finance and really take the time and invest. It's such a small amount for the amount of information that you're learning. So I definitely say it was definitely worth it. So take the time. We need to invest in ourselves. We might look at the amount of money that we're spending now, but the benefit of it later in the future is really outweighs
Yeah.
what you're spending.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it. I had a good time with you. Like you were able to get through the information. I always love working with each individual because everyone's so different. But I had a very good time working with you. I always love working with women, and especially because I feel like I was in that same boat, like where I was like, dang, I wish I could just somebody explain it to me, like break it
Mhm.
down and just make it simple. And that's what I wanted to create in this program. So I'm really glad that you got a lot out of it.
Definitely.
And for anyone out there, this is a great program, mentoring, one-on-one coaching that we've been able to do. And I thank you so much for sharing your story. And I look forward because our journey is not over. We're going to continue working together. And
That's
so this
right.
is just the beginning.
That's right. I look forward to it.
All right.